Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying carrier support and model compatibility. This matters because Wi-Fi calling relies on carrier routing. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and keep mobile data enabled briefly for setting sync. Make sure your SIM is active and phone battery is adequate so the process won't fail mid-setup. Now open settings. You'll find the options faster if you search for Wi-Fi calling or SIM. Go directly to the SIM and network section to continue the setup. You're in the SIM settings now, so select the correct SIM if you use dual SIM. Next, toggle on Wi-Fi calling. The device will request permissions and may ask to update emergency address. Provide it because carriers require a default for 911. Make sure to choose the calling preference. If your Wi-Fi is strong, pick Wi-Fi preferred, otherwise choose cellular preferred. Once enabled, the phone registers with the carrier. You'll see a Wi-Fi calling icon during a connected call. You finish by restarting the phone to force carrier registration and network refresh. This often resolves lingering issues. Make a test call to confirm the Wi-Fi calling icon appears. If not, update carrier settings or install MIUI updates because firmware mismatches can block registration. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode, reconnect Wi-Fi, or remove and reinsert the SIM to reinitialize provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a different Wi-Fi network to rule out router NAT or firewall restrictions that block SIP or IMS signaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.